Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science in Coimbatore is a proud institution in which we are running in 32nd year of educational excellence here at Coimbatore. In the recent past, we have included a lot of courses with industry integration and with high-end skills. This is no more an arts college. We consider this as a training center for our students, wherein which we equally divide the academics, skills and our value system to see that a perfect human being is moving away as a degree holder from the campus. We have understood that no more basic degree is going to give away the high-end jobs for our students. We offer commerce stream, relating, the updated professional knowledge through courses like CA, CMA, ACCA, CS, programs from NSE, NISM, Insurance Institute of India and so on. If you take computing courses, we have Google inside, IBM inside, Texas Instruments. We do have UTL technologies inside with verticals like artificial intelligence, data science, networking, cloud management, data security, because we know that where the world is moving forward. The 21st century skills, namely communication, collaboration, creativity and critical thinking are the key points of our education system. The outcome-based education carefully designed to incorporate all these required skills along with academics and going good, and our students are coming out in a better way in the society with this approach. The learning ability depends on the way they learn so far and come to higher education. Once if they come here, we found that there are students of high level learning, slow learners. See, our flexible model really helps the students to identify their own path, because we have track system inside our curriculum. The students who are all capable of going even beyond, we have extra credit courses in the high-end model. So those students can move further on their own path. So we encourage those fast learners also in our campus. If you take slow learners, no doubt slow learners need a personalized approach that is being taken care with the help of mentors and the specialized subject teachers in our campus. When a student wants to have a high-end course, not only in India, the doors of Ramakrishna are already open for many of the other country collaborations. Every year, not less than about 500 students go for study abroad program in nearby countries. Especially we have good association with top universities in Malaysia, Asia Pacific University, Sunway University, Cyberjaya, Amity Campus. All those universities are high-end universities having high QS rating in the worldwide. So we send our students, they stay for one full course, which we are not offering here and not even offered in whole of Tamil Nadu or India. Such courses the students undergo in our collaborator in abroad. When they come back, really they are enlightened and the total quality goes up. We believe in one more thing. The learning happens not only inside the classroom. So we see that our students go out, activity-based, community-based, society-based learnings are happening in this college. For example, that's the result, right? Every year, not less than about 500 units of bloods are being donated by our students. Most of our students are organ donors. So this is how we connect with the society. And when the students are connected with the society, they understand the real problem. They bring as a problem for solution to our campus, our innovation center, the Star College scheme of our campus, the Fab Lab of our campus. All these are really catering to their expected solution in the form of project execution. The management is funding all these students to execute such innovative projects. Even the undergraduate students are writing research papers. They are patenting here. They are starting their own company. So this transformation we see in the recent past because of all these additions. தமிழ்ல சொல்ல போனோம்னா ராமகிருஷ்ணா கலை அறிவியல் கல்லூரி ஒரு எதிர்கால திறன்களை உருவாக்குவதை மையமாக கொண்டு இதனுடைய முழுமையான கல்வி முறைமையை மறுகட்டமைத்துள்ளது. நன்றி.